My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 77,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. On our screen we can access navigation, radio and media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.